Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set up Buy Now Pay Later in Apple Pay. First thing first, when making a purchase online in store, tap the Apple Pay button or select Apple Pay as your payment method. Now, if your default card supports installments, you'll see a hint for Pay Later. Otherwise, tap Change Payment Method, Other Cards, and Pay Later options to find a card that supports it. On the payment options screen, select Pay Later, and if it's your first time, tap Setup and follow the prompts. Now Apple will show you available installment payment plans if approved. Review the terms like number of payments, fees if any, and due dates. Now tap Agree and Continue, then confirm with your passcode, Touch ID or Face ID. Purchases made with installments will appear in the Wallet app with the Pay Later label. Tap the transaction for more details or manage the installment plan in your card provider's app or website, and that's it, you've successfully made the purchase using Apple Pay installments. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.